Hellraiser II, Hellbound, 1988. Hellbound. Hellraiser II picks up right where Clive Barker's original left off, deepening the mythology of the Cenobites and expanding the nightmarish universe of Hell. Directed by Tony Randall and written by Peter Atkins. With Barker producing, the film transforms what began as a contained, claustrophobic horror into a full-blown descent into hellish madness. The story follows Kirsty, Ashley Lawrence, still traumatized from the events of the first film, as she is confined to a psychiatric hospital run by the sinister Dr. Channard. Meanwhile, her stepmother Julia, Claire Higgins, is resurrected in a gruesome, half-formed state, echoing the resurrection of Frank from the first movie. This time, Julia becomes the predator, seducing and killing to restore her flesh, aided by Channard, who is obsessed with unlocking the mysteries of the puzzle box. What follows is a twisted journey into Leviathan's labyrinthine realm of pain and desire. Visually, Hellraiser II is spectacular for its time. The practical effects, from Julia's skinless body to the surreal hellscapes, are grotesque, tactile, and mesmerizing. Christopher Young's gothic score elevates the film, turning it into something operatic and tragic rather than just gory. The film's world-building is its biggest triumph. We see hell not as fire and brimstone, but as a cold, geometric nightmare ruled by logic as cruel as it is divine. That said, the film's ambition sometimes exceeds its coherence. The plot can feel fragmented, with pacing issues and a few confusing transitions between the real world and the underworld. But its sheer imagination and audacity make it a standout sequel, one that dares to turn horror into dark fantasy. Verdict: Hellbound. Hellraiser II is one of the rare horror sequels that expands rather than repeats. It is a blood-soaked, operatic vision of hell that is both horrifying and strangely beautiful. A fever dream of flesh, guilt, and desire. Rating: 8 out of 10. Visually stunning, thematically rich, and hauntingly grotesque. A worthy continuation of Barker's nightmare.